Alright, what's up YouTube? Here we go again for some brand new episode of our reaction video. And this time we're gonna hear something different. Actually, it's my first time hearing this artist and this music. His music, right? Alright. So let's not make it long. Let's check it out. Alright, it's my first time hearing this song actually, and this artist. So let's break it down. Here we go. Sounded so creepy, the intro. Let's move it back a little bit. Also, this is American. Alright. That intro, that intro was dope. Woo, that gunfire effects.
Me and my buddies rolling so deep it ain't funny.
Me and my buddies rolling so deep it ain't funny.
Me and my buddies rolling so deep it ain't funny. Glock 19 in my passenger seat and he got about 20.
Glock 19 in my passenger seat and I've got about 20. But wait, he said me and my buddies, but looks like it's alone in this video.
Funny. Glock 19 in my passenger seat and he got about 20. Pop the trunk, got the AR, make you wanna pray hard. Break up in my house, you get a graveyard.
Yeah.
I protect mine, Cuddy. Don't cross the line, he won't get line, buddy.
Don't cross the line and get my body. That long barrel.
Graveyard, man, I protect mine, Cuddy. Don't cross the line, he won't get line, buddy. They say, Tyson, you a Christian, how you like guns? I ain't not the
Tyson, you're a Christian, how you like guns? Christian that like guns.
Don't cross the line, he won't get line, buddy. They say, Tyson, you a Christian, how you like guns? I am not the type to sit and wait for the sirens. If you ain't got a big, you better buy one. I got 2 nines for the swine, why would I run?
Oh, look at that face. Where is it? Look at that face. Ooh, that a Joker kind of makeup.
You better buy one. I got 2 nines for the swine, why would I run? Oh, a demon gon' catch me slipping. Show up at the crib, you gon' get me tripping. I pack in the no-fly zone. My buddy coming with me everywhere I go. I know, I'm a white boy rapping. Pistol pack.
I'm a white boy rapper. Yep. He's a white orange.
My buddy coming with me everywhere I go. I know, I'm a white boy rapping. Pistol packing, Bible smacking. You ain't gon' catch me lacking.
Bible smacking, pistol clacking, Bible smacking.
I know, I'm a white boy rapping. Pistol packing, Bible smacking. You ain't gon' catch me lacking. I know, I'm a Jesus rocking, demon stomping. You ain't gon' see me flop.
I'm a Jesus rocking, demon bopping.
Catch me lacking, I know. I'm a Jesus rocking, demon stomping. You ain't gon' see me flopping. I grow. When I go, I keep buddy on my hip. 20 in the clip, anybody want a trip? I'm a two-way savage, a Christian, but I'm not your average. Never. Say hello to my friend. I got heat, no need to pretend.
Wait. Say hello to my friend. Where you praying at? My G?
Never. Say hello to my friend. I got heat, no need to pretend. I got kids I need to defend. My peace gon' be with me to the end.
I got kids that need to depend.
Pretend. I got kids I need to defend. My peace gon' be with me to the end. Say hello to my friend. I got heat, no need to pretend. I got kids I need to defend. My peace gon' be with me to the end. Me and my buddies rolling so deep it ain't funny. Glock 19 in my passenger seat and I got about 20. Pop the trunk, got the AR, make you wanna pray hard. Break up in my house, you get a graveyard. I protect mine, Cuddy. Don't cross the line, you won't get my buddy. My buddy coming with me ain't alone. My buddy coming with me in a gun-free zone. My buddy, mess around and find out.
Who your buddy? Oh, is this his real face?
Me ain't alone. My buddy coming with me in a gun-free zone. My buddy, mess around and find out. Look, I trust in God, but I'll still pull that 9 out.
I trust in God, but I still pull that 9.
On my buddy, mess around and find out. Look, I trust in God, but I'll still pull that 9 out. You ain't gonna take my rights, try to dumb me down. You ain't gonna take my fight, I win. If I go out with a bang, I'm in. My kids are all a part of my gang and I spin. I'm a Pride Month back.
My kids is a part of my gang.
If I go out with a bang, I'm in. My kids are all a part of my gang and I spin. I'm a Pride Month fashion. Maybe having daily packing threaten me. I may be clapping, go away. I'm a muscle pumping, muzzle dumping. I'm gon' ruffle something, okay. Look, I'm the Bible thumper you were warned about. I got the gunpowder and it's more than just a quarter ounce. I'm a two-way stepper, got guns. And they ain't spraying pepper, never.
Ain't spraying pepper, never.
Around. I'm a two-way stepper, got guns, and they ain't spraying pepper, never. Say hello to my friend. I got heat, no need to pretend. I got kids, I need to defend. My peace gon' be with me to the end. Say hello to my friend. I got heat, no need to pretend. I got kids, I need to defend. My peace gon' be with me to the end. Me and my buddies, rolling so deep it ain't funny.
Wanna be your buddy?
Glock 19 in
the passenger seat and it got about 20.
Pop the trunk, got the AR, make you wanna pray hard. Break it by my house, you get a graveyard. Man, I protect mine, Cuddy. Don't cross the line, you won't get my buddy.
The beat is dope though. Woo! There you go, Tyson James, my man. Alright. Woo! That's Tyson James, boy. Yeah, that song is interesting. And I want to check more of this guy's video. Now I'm kind of interested about this guy. Maybe you can find some other good stuff on his channel. Right. Thanks for recommending it. Tyson James, my buddy, music video. Alright. Alright. If you like that, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below for another video reaction that we're gonna do next time. So that's it for today. Peace.